Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you change the theme of the app in the Audible application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it. And in this page you should look at the top of your right corner and you will see there the settings symbol. Press on that as well. And once you're done with that, you will see here under the app settings section the third option, which is theme. Press on it and you can see that by default it is set to match device appearance, and if you want to change it you can just press on either light or dark, and you can see if you press on it it will instantly change, and you can just leave it like that basically and go back and the changes will be saved. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.